March 19th, 2025. I'm still at Elisa's. Just thought I'd try a different camera angle today. I guess I kind of readjusted my setup. I got my laptop in play just because I needed it for some of the work I was doing earlier. I slept pretty good. I woke up early. I had an interesting dream where I was having to fend off in sort of a weird wrestling fight a bunch of adolescent dudes, like teenagers. I don't remember a whole lot about the dream. I remember Artem Taranenko was in the dream. That's a little weird. Like he showed up, saw the tussle I was having with these kids, and it called the authorities for me without actually physically helping. I'm not sure what any of that means. A very strange dream. Yeah, anyway, I got up and just had a very quiet, productive day. I just stayed busy with my graphics programming for the live stream stuff coming up. It was still cold outside. It was expected to maybe warm up, but it was in the 20s or 30s, and I didn't want to do the spray painting. I might just do that tomorrow, even if it's still cold. I don't know. I gotta get my car an oil change here too, so maybe, I don't know if I do that tomorrow. Yeah, I just plugged away on that stuff, among other various, basic communications and whatnot. Got lined up for a meeting tomorrow, just meeting with a local director to kind of get a gauge on the local production scene. Doing that tomorrow at lunch. Otherwise, yeah, just stayed busy on my stuff today, all the way here into the evening. And then beyond that, not a lot. I don't even really have much of a deep thought of the day. Let me see what I can generate out of what I've been thinking on. I guess just the simple idea that, sometimes putting your head down and just plugging away at the important things in whatever fashion that is. There's, definite value there, even though it can kind of seem boring and not as glamorous. Whatever, like work is glamorous. Well, some work is glamorous, but I guess maybe the comment that I've heard recently is that society has kind of glamorized the excessive type work, the grind, I guess you might say. And while the grind, of course, there's obvious benefits and positive elements of grinding and just doing the things you need to do, but certainly taking that motif a little too far, you can lose sight of the human elements of life. Anyway, I guess that would be my deep thought for the day. What is my call to action today? Just take a moment to pay attention to the things you do. I think this is sort of a daily thing anyway. Maybe the call to action becomes a daily habit, but taking the time to just recognize and think positively on the things that you went through during the day, that more specifically related to work. Did you get some things done? Are you proud of what you did? Did they have impact on the now, or will they have impact on the future? All of that's valuable. So take a moment to reflect on it. It'll be good for you. All right, until next time.